Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time for your weekly dose of top AI news this week. We've got a jam-packed episode filled with incredible breakthroughs and exciting updates from the world of AI. Get ready to be amazed by the latest advancements in AI video generation, web automation, image editing, music creation, and even quantum computing. Let's jump right in. News number 1, Black Forest Labs releases new suite of AI image editing tools. Black Forest Labs just dropped a major update to their Flux.1 AI image generation platform, and it's packed with powerful new features. This suite of tools, called Flux.1 Tools, focuses on giving users more control and flexibility when editing both real and AI-generated images. The update introduces 4 main features: Flux.1 Fill, Flux.1 Depth, Flux.1 Canny, and Flux.1 Redux. Flux.1 Fill is all about in-painting and out-painting, meaning you can seamlessly edit existing images or expand them beyond their original borders. Think of it like content-aware fill on steroids. Flux.1 Depth and Flux.1 Canny use depth maps and canny edges, respectively, to guide the AI in preserving the structure of an image while making text-guided edits. This is perfect for tasks like retexturing an image while keeping its composition intact. Finally, Flux.1 Redux is an adapter that allows for image variation and restyling. You can generate variations of an input image or even restyle it using text prompts. And the best part? Black Forest Labs is releasing these tools in both open access and professional versions. The open access Flux.1 models are perfect for researchers and developers, while the Flux.1 Pro models offer top-of-the-line performance through the Black Forest Labs API. So whether you're a seasoned AI artist or just starting out, there's a Flux.1 tool for you. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and try them out for yourself. News number 2, MetaMask says goodbye to insufficient gas errors with new gas station feature. Hey everyone, big news in the world of crypto wallets. MetaMask just rolled out a game-changing feature called Gas Station, and it's going to make your life a lot easier. If you've ever been frustrated by running out of gas ETH in the middle of a swap, this update is for you. We all know how annoying it is when you're trying to swap tokens and suddenly get hit with an insufficient gas error. It means you have to scramble to buy more ETH on an exchange, transfer it to your wallet, and then try the swap again. Talk about a time suck. Well, with Gas Station, those days are over. Now, when you enable smart transactions with MetaMask swaps, the network fees are automatically included in the swap quote. This means you can seamlessly complete your transactions without worrying about having enough ETH on hand. And don't worry, MetaMask is still committed to getting you the best prices. Gas Station doesn't limit you to any specific liquidity source. MetaMask will continue to compare prices across a wide variety of providers, including decentralized exchange aggregators, market makers, and DEXs, so you'll still get the most competitive quotes with the lowest network fees. Gas Station is currently live on the MetaMask extension for Ethereum mainnet and supports a range of assets, including USDT, USDC, DAI, ETH, WETH, WBTC, and WSOL. The mobile release is coming soon, so head over to MetaMask portfolio and start swapping with ease. News number 3, Mistral AI upgrades LeChat with powerful new features, including image generation. Hey everyone, Mistral AI just announced some huge updates to their free AI assistant, LeChat. These updates are focused on making LeChat an even more powerful and versatile tool for creative work and research. Let's take a look at what's new. First up, LeChat now has web search capabilities with citations. This is a game changer for students and professionals who rely on LeChat for research and learning. You can now ask LeChat to find information online and provide sources to back up its claims. Next, Mistral AI is introducing Canvas, a new interface for ideation and collaboration. Canvas allows you to work with LeChat's LLMs to create documents, presentations, code, mockups, and more. And get this, LeChat can now understand complex documents and images thanks to its new Pixtral large model. You can attach PDFs and images to your chat, and LeChat will analyze them, summarize key points, and even extract information from tables and graphs. Finally, Mistral AI has partnered with Black Forest Labs to bring image generation capabilities to LeChat. You can now generate high-quality images right from within LeChat using Black Forest Labs' Flux Pro model. All of these features are currently available for free as part of a beta release. Mistral AI is committed to making frontier AI accessible to everyone, and this update is a big step in that direction. So head over to chat.mistral.ai www.mistral.ai and check out the new chat. News number 4. H Company launches revolutionary AI agent, Runner H, for effortless web automation. Hey everyone, get ready for a major breakthrough in the world of web automation. H Company just announced Runner H, a cutting-edge AI agent that can navigate web interfaces and turn your natural language commands into actions. This is a game changer for developers, businesses, and anyone who wants to automate tedious, repetitive tasks online. Imagine a world where you can tell your computer to book a flight to Tokyo, fill out this online form, or run a series of tests on my website, and it just does it automatically. That's the power of Runner H. This AI agent utilizes advanced vision language models, VLMs, to understand your instructions and interact with web pages just like a human would. It's like having a tireless digital assistant working 24/7. H Company is launching Runner H through its new platform, the Studio, which provides a user-friendly interface for creating and managing web automations. The private beta is coming soon, offering an API for developers to integrate Runner H into their applications. H Company is committed to making web automation accessible to everyone and envisions a future where interacting with Runner H is as easy as talking to a colleague. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of AI for web automation, sign up for the private beta waitlist and join the agentic era. News number 5, HeyGen releases game-changing AI app for iPhone. Hey everyone, huge news for all you content creators out there. HeyGen, the company known for its incredible AI avatars and video translation technology, just dropped a brand new iOS app. That's right, you can now create stunning videos with AI avatars from your iPhone. This app is a game changer because it puts the power of HeyGen's cutting-edge technology right at your fingertips. Imagine creating lifelike avatars, translating your videos into over 175 different languages, and producing dynamic content all from your phone. This is the future of video creation, and HeyGen is leading the way. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the App Store and download the HeyGen app today. Let's see the demo video shared by the HeyGen AI team.
Say hello to the HeyGen mobile app. Limitless, lifelike content now in your pocket. It's your creativity your way. Take a photo or upload a video to create an avatar. Record audio to bring your avatar to life. Submit to start generating your avatar.
Dude, this is cool.
Instantly speak in 175 languages. Record, upload, and share with the HeyGen mobile app.
News number 6, V0 gets a major upgrade. Create and deploy full-stack apps with ease. Hey everyone, huge news for developers and anyone interested in building web apps. V0, the AI-powered code generation tool, just got a major upgrade, and it's packed with some incredible features. This update focuses on full-stack development, making it easier than ever to create and deploy sophisticated applications. With V0, you can now create full-stack Next.js and React applications. This means you can use V0 to generate both the front-end and back-end code for your web app, and it gets even better. V0 now supports multi-file generation. You can tell V0 to create multiple files at once, complete with all the necessary code and dependencies. Plus, you can directly link and deploy your V0 projects to Vercel, taking your apps from code to live in minutes. One of the most powerful features of this update is the ability to use Vercel project environment variables in your V0 blocks. This means you can securely connect your applications to databases, APIs, and other external services without exposing sensitive information. Overall, this V0 update is a game changer for developers looking to streamline their workflow and build powerful, full-stack applications. News number 7, Google DeepMind tackles quantum computing errors with AlphaQubit. Google DeepMind just made a huge leap forward in quantum computing. They've developed a new AI system called AlphaQubit that can identify errors inside quantum computers with incredible accuracy. This is a major breakthrough because error correction is one of the biggest challenges holding back the development of practical quantum computers. Quantum computers are incredibly powerful, but they're also very prone to errors due to factors like heat, vibration, and even cosmic rays. To overcome this, researchers use a technique called quantum error correction, which involves grouping multiple qubits into a single logical qubit and constantly checking for errors. That's where AlphaQubit comes in. This AI system acts as a decoder, using the results of these consistency checks to identify errors so they can be corrected. What makes AlphaQubit so special is that it's based on the same deep learning architecture, transformers, that powers many of today's large language models. This allows it to learn complex patterns and achieve state-of-the-art accuracy in identifying errors. The team trained AlphaQubit on both real and simulated quantum data, and it outperformed other leading decoders in terms of accuracy. This is a major step towards building reliable quantum computers that can revolutionize fields like drug discovery and material science. You can read more about this groundbreaking research in Google's blog post and the full paper published in Nature. News number 8, Vidu AI enhances realism with multi-entity consistency in Vidu 1.5. Hey everyone, get ready for even more amazing AI-generated videos. Vidu AI just announced a sneak peek of their latest update, Vidu 1.5, and it's all about enhanced multi-entity consistency. What does that mean? Well, it means you can now create even more realistic and dynamic videos that seamlessly blend people, objects, and environments. Imagine creating a video where a person walks behind a tree and emerges on the other side, all while maintaining perfect continuity. Or picture a scene where objects interact with each other in a way that looks completely natural. Vidu 1.5 makes this possible with its advanced AI algorithms that ensure everything in your video looks and behaves as it should. To show off the power of Vidu 1.5, Vidu AI has released a brand new promo video that showcases its incredible capabilities. I highly recommend checking it out to see the magic in action. And if you're already using Vidu 1.5, Vidu AI wants to hear from you. Let them know how you're using this update to bring your creative ideas to life. This update is a big step forward for AI video generation, and I can't wait to see what amazing things people create with it. News number 9, Suno AI drops V4 update. Music creation just got easier. Hey everyone, huge news for all you music creators out there. Suno AI, the platform that lets you create studio quality music with the help of AI, just announced a major update, V4. This update is all about making music creation faster, easier, and more intuitive. So what's new in V4? Well, first up, we have the remaster feature. This allows you to instantly upgrade your existing Suno tracks to the new V4 quality, giving them a fresh, polished sound. But that's not all. Suno AI is also introducing Lyrics by Remy, a powerful new AI-powered lyric generator that helps you write creative, high-quality lyrics. No more writer's block. And to top it off, V4 also includes new cover art designs to give your tracks a visually appealing look. But V4 isn't just about new features. It's also about making existing features even better. Suno's popular covers feature, which lets you reimagine original tracks in different styles, and the personas feature, which helps you capture a track's vibe and apply it to future projects, have both been supercharged by V4, making them even more powerful and versatile. Right now, V4 is available in beta for Pro and Premier members. So if you're a Suno user, be sure to check it out and see what you can create. News number 10. OpenAI rolls out advanced voice update for ChatGPT. Hey everyone. OpenAI just dropped a major update for all ChatGPT Plus users. You can now talk to ChatGPT using your voice and have it respond back to you verbally. This is a huge step forward in terms of accessibility and user experience. Think about it. You can now brainstorm ideas out loud with ChatGPT, have it read you articles or stories, or even use it for language practice. This feature is available on the desktop version of ChatGPT for all paid users. So if you're a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, head over to the website and start exploring this awesome new capability. News number 11, introducing Neo, the autonomous machine learning engineer that's winning awards. Get ready for a major development in the world of machine learning. A new AI system called Neo is making waves as the first autonomous machine learning engineer, and it's already racking up awards. Neo is a multi-agent system that can automate the entire machine learning workflow, saving engineers countless hours of tedious work. Traditionally, developing machine learning models involves a lot of manual effort, from data engineering to model deployment. But Neo changes all that with its advanced capabilities in multi-step reasoning and memory orchestration. This allows Neo to tackle complex machine learning problems independently from start to finish. And Neo isn't just a concept. It's already proving its worth. In benchmarks against 50 Kaggle competitions, Neo scored a medal in 26% of them. This is a significant improvement over the previous state-of-the-art performance of 16.9% achieved by OpenAI's O1 with IDE scaffolding on the MLE bench. So what does this mean for the future of machine learning? Well, Neo has the potential to revolutionize the field by freeing up engineers to focus on innovation and creativity rather than getting bogged down in grunt work. Imagine a world world where machine learning is accessible to everyone, not just those with specialized technical skills. Neo could make this a reality by automating the complex tasks that currently act as barriers to entry. This is a major step forward in democratizing AI and making its benefits available to a wider audience. Keep an eye out for Neo as it continues to evolve and push the boundaries of what's possible in machine learning. Let's see the demo video shared by Neo team.
Saurabh here from Neo, the first AI engineer for ML engineers. And yes, Neo has outperformed OpenAI. We have been working on this for the past 2 years, and we would love to show you how it works. Neo is now crawling the competition link to understand the requirements. It's planning key steps like dataset prep, model tuning, evaluation, and deployment. Neo used multi-step reasoning to explore different possible solutions, pick the best path, and start implementation. Designing a powerful data pipeline is crucial in the machine learning workflow. Neo curates, evaluates, merges, transforms, and pre-processes data, setting the stage for seamless model performance. Neo sets up multiple fine-tuning experiments with different hyperparameters. To save time and resources, it selects the most promising experiments to pursue in depth and runs them in a GPU sandbox. After the fine-tuning process, a detailed evaluation report is generated, offering insights into the loss curves that demonstrate the effective completion of the experiments. Neo is now ready to deploy, but first optimizing the pipeline for peak efficiency. It will analyze throughput and latency across different frameworks like VLLM and TensorRT and different GPU types. Once approved, it will lock in the best configuration for deployment. After running experiment, it shares its recommendations. Once approved, it deploys the model and shares the link. Neo helps ML engineers become superhuman. Now it's your turn. Join the waitlist to get early access.
News number 12, ByteDance unveils SeedEdit, a powerful new AI tool for image editing. Hey everyone, ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, just announced an amazing new AI model called SeedEdit. This model allows you to edit images using text prompts, opening up a whole new world of possibilities for creative expression. SeedEdit excels at zero-shot stable editing of high-resolution images, maintaining image quality through unlimited rounds of editing instructions. But what makes SeedEdit so special? The core difficulty in image editing is the lack of paired image data for training. SeedEdit tackles this by leveraging text-to-image generation models, treating them as weak editing models. These models edit by generating a new image based on a new text prompt. SeedEdit then takes these weak editing models and distills and aligns them into a much stronger image-conditioned editing model. And the results are impressive. SeedEdit supports various types of image editing, including local replacement, geometric transformations, relighting, style changes, and even combinations of these. Imagine changing the background of a photo, adding objects, or transforming a daytime scene into a night scene, all with just a few text prompts. This is a huge leap forward for AI image editing. If you want to learn more about SeedEdit, check out the technical report and demos on the Dubao team's website. That's it for this week's roundup of top AI news. Which news are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI updates every week. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of AI.